Hey, it's Brittany, and I'm here at the Beach Club Resort. Sorry, the gimbal's being really weird. But I'm here because I haven't done a tour of this resort for you guys yet, and it's one of my favorites to just come and hang out at. It is right next door to the Yacht Club. That will be a different video, but today I'm just gonna do the Beach Club. So much cool things on this property. I love it. Beaches and cream, cool pools, just super close to Epcot, great walking distance from Epcot. I'll show you everything on the boardwalk. There's so much amazing things to this resort. Let's head inside and check it out. Hit the like button and subscribe. All right, let's head inside so I can show you guys this magnificent resort. This is a DVC resort as well. So it has villas and, well, it might be the whole thing, might be DVC, but it has villas, regular rooms, all the fun shenanigans that you can get into here on Disney property. So this is where you'd get dropped off if you are just coming in and being dropped off, you know, from a taxi or anything like that. The bus stop is over there if you're looking for the buses. Yeah, we're just gonna hibbity hop on inside. Got a really cool old car over here. It's pretty awesome. But let's head in. We still have some remnants of the Christmas decor, but that all is slowly going away. Oh, wow, look at how beautiful this is in here. This is the main lobby. Over here to my left is Bell Services. If you need to check a bag or do anything, you're gonna come over here to Bell Services. On the right, so we're gonna walk literally just to the right of where we came in. You're gonna find the check-in desk over here. So this is concierge check-in and all that things. We're gonna make a little loop around the lobby because I actually want to go to the left first before we go this way. Let's head over here to the left. So this is, to my left is where where we entered the lobby. To the right is where you go over to the boardwalk. Start doing your loop. But we're gonna keep coming this way. We're gonna come down to the store for the resort. Every resort will have a store depending on what kind of resort it is. It'll be bigger or smaller. We also have a bay of elevators. Some rooms start right down this hallway as well. So this is gonna be the resort store. How adorable is that? For this resort. Here is some of the resort merch. It's resort specific merchandise. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So we have beaches and cream, soda and ice cream parlor here. Beautiful ornament. Beach Club Resort. Oh my gosh, I love this lounge fly. And the ears with the little Mickey ice cream cone. My goodness, this is cute. Like a nice Beach Club quarter zip. Nice bag. Baseball tee. Yeah, really cute stuff. You also just have stuff that you're gonna find at most resorts, regular park merch, just in case you need something or forgot something. You can always find it in these, well, not always. You'll find a big selection in these stores. We also have DVC stuff because, like I said, this is a DVC resort as well. And then over here we have like the quick service. It smells so good in here. The quick service section of this park. So you can get a bunch of different things. Cupcakes. Ooh, a celebration cupcake for big thing for 40. We got some charcuterie stuff. $8.99. Wow, some really good grab and go stuff in here. So that's not bad. You can fill up your resort mugs. Bunch of different other things. Stuff you can take to your room, some frozen stuff because this is DVC. But also this is where you're gonna get like a pulled pork sandwich, a hot dog, a caprese sandwich, meatball sub. Oh, there's some roasted chicken dinner for $14. Really good. It smells so good in here too. And sandwiches and salads. My goodness, this smells so yummy. But yeah, so this is for this resort. And we're just gonna exit this way. This is the Beach Club Marketplace, food and gifts. So this way is going to be the villas. We're just gonna walk down this hallway because I don't think I've ever walked all the way down this hallway. There's some fun decor in here as well, very beachy vibes. Beach Club Villas. Seaside Retreat, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe for kiddos. Yeah, this basically just starts, okay, little atrium out here. Cool, cool, cool. So that is, you come in the door we came in, took a left, we went all the way down this hallway. So, very fun. This is also just like a beautiful resort. I would just sit here and drink a coffee. It's a little patio space over here for you to sit and drink your coffee or eat your food that you get from the marketplace. I'm just gonna keep going back this way. Some more fun beach themed stuff. Here is the solarium. So I'm gonna be very quiet in here because it's very relaxing. We have some really cool pictures and seating areas. It's just really quiet and calm in here. It's a nice place to come relax, play some games. Looks like they have a TV in here too. Just a nice place to come and chill. Some tables. You can also eat in here from what you got at the marketplace too. So, really cool place to just come in and relax. I'm just gonna let everybody chill. They're on vacations. Let them enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna head back towards the main lobby. So basically back the way we came. We're going to head this way. Here is an awesome map of this resort. If you're looking for it, gives you all the information that you're gonna need. There's a bunch of different lounges in here as well. We're actually gonna go, I'll go the second floor up here. But yeah, so this is the door I came in. So basically passing that again. I also love these chairs. They are so grand. They're fabulous. I think up there is just a seating area, but let's head up these stairs because the whole lobby looks like it's like a seating. So let's just head, I've never been up here actually. As many times I've been to this resort, I've never come upstairs. So you know what? It's first for everything. We have a statue of a little kiddo with a turtle. Some seating. I think it is just seating. There's a little bit of hallway this way, so maybe there's a lounge up here. Well, we're gonna find out together with great views of the lobby. Here's a view to the outside. This is the boardwalk itself. I feel fancy up here. Haha. Also love this carpet. It's real cute. Okay, I just did a circle, but that's okay. This might just be more rooms, which is fine, yeah. Looks like it's just some rooms. This is so pretty though. My goodness, comment down below if you've stayed here. But this is gorgeous. It's another little seating area. Looks like there's just some more rooms. Looks down on that atrium we were looking at. Cool. Well, let's head back down and go the opposite way we did. Made it back down the stairs. But before we head that way, which is the way we were walking before I went up those stairs, we're actually gonna head outside. I wanna show you the outside area of the beach club on the boardwalk side. Kind of saw it from upstairs. But over here is how you get access straight out to the boardwalk. The solarium is right here to my right. The like quiet room, I had to be quiet in it. It was just so quiet in there and I didn't want to be loud. But yeah, this is how you go to the boardwalk. If you wanted to come out, walk the boardwalk, go over to the boardwalk resort. Cake Bake Shop is brand new over there. Over here we also have a pool. There's a pool literally right there. And a volleyball court if you're looking. This is the big pool. This pool is awesome. It's probably one of the best on property. I'll show you guys once we go this way. But I just wanted to pop out and show you guys this part of the resort. There is a slide with, okay, we'll go to that. There's a slide with the theming of a pirate ship, which is very cool. We'll come all the way out here, no bigs. I'll get my steps in for the day. But yeah, also to get to Epcot, you literally just go left, walk maybe 5 minutes, and you're at Epcot. Like I said, very good location. All right, so there's the pirate ship. That is a slide right there that comes down into the pool. Super stinking cool. I think kids, I would enjoy it as an adult, but kids and families alike would really enjoy that. So let's head back inside and go back that way towards the restaurants. And I can show you guys more of this pool because it's real cool. Okay, made it back into the lobby and let's go this way like I've been trying to. This is the Cape May Cafe. Seafood. They also have a Minnie's breakfast. It's like a dining with Minnie. It's really good. Seafood. It's a buffet. I've had it before a long time ago. It was really good. Had some good crab legs. This is the really cool thing about this resort as well, going over to the yacht, is to get through the two, it's a lot of inside, which is great when it's hot in the summertime. So you don't really have to go outside. They have some cool sandcastle theming. Starting to see more of the pool out there. But yeah, it smells also delicious in here. Whew. I am hungry. I didn't think I was. But that's all right. It does smell really good though. But yeah, if you just keep walking down this hallway, you can see more views of the pool. Yeah, really fun resort here. Lots of cool things going on. We have restrooms here, as well as another entrance to Cape May, but you need to check in over there. I think this is just to go to the bathrooms. A water bottle fill-up station. This is the Martha's Vineyard Lounge. So when I said that there was a lot of lounges, this is one of the lounges. It's a bar at nighttime, so you can get full cocktails, and this is where we have to go outside. So this is the pool area I was telling you guys about. It's really, really cool. And over here, we have Beaches and Cream, which is such a staple for this resort. It's not even funny. There is a to-go window here, and regular Beaches and Cream is a restaurant. It's very small, so there's very limited seating. But also look at this pool. It's really, really stinking cool. Yeah, very cool. You have to be staying here to get in. 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. is Beaches and Cream. It is a very, very small little restaurant, but it got redone recently and it looks really cool. Here's a little bit of the menu. Obviously known for its ice cream, but it is really cool. Yeah, this pool is amazing. They also have an arcade in here. I'm not gonna go in there because I see some families. Basically like any other arcade on property. And I'm pretty sure this starts the yacht club over here. So that is, yeah, that's why it's usually yacht and beach. It's referred to as both because it is very, very close to each other. You can walk to and from each other very seamlessly, which is great because you have different restaurants at each property. Relatively, they share the same pool. There is those smaller pools like I pointed out, but it's such a great resort to be at. One, closeness and proximity to Epcot. Two, amenities you have here on property. And it's honestly just such a great, vibrant property. And with that, that's gonna do it for me here at the Beach Club Resort. Such a fun resort. I definitely want to come to Beaches and Cream. Another thing I want to do in 2025. It looks really good. The ice cream I've had before, the to-go window, chef's kiss, fabulous. This resort is so beautiful. It's just such a fun place, and this pool area just looks absolutely majestic. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!